Welcome to the Visible Ear Simulator tutorial videos. In this video, we will introduce controls and orientation, mouse versus haptics, panning, rotating, and zooming. The mouse is primarily used to adjust the view, while the haptic device is used to select tools and perform drilling operations. When switching between drilling and view adjustment, allow the VES a few seconds to transition between control modes. Hold down the right mouse button to pan the view. Hold down the left mouse button to rotate the view. Use the mouse wheel to zoom the view in and out. Great! You're now ready to choose a drill type to get started. Watch the next video to proceed.